everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai. And for today, as usual, I'm going to share you something which is very simple. We can serve it during tea and or at any occasion. So I'm going to share you how to do a sweet porridge that is from wheat pearl and corn. So let's see the ingredients. Wheat pearl, wash and drain. Palm sugar, screwpine leaf, corn, coconut milk, sugar, rice flour, sugar, salt, water. Okay, first of all, we need to pressure cooker the wheat pearl with 1 liter of water. Okay, now I'm using the pressure cooker, but if you don't have, you can always soak the wheat pearl for overnight, at least 8 hours. Then you strain the water and you boil it for about 20 minutes. So that's the way if you don't have the pressure cooker. While waiting for the wheat pearl to boil, now I'm going to do the sauce. So now how the sauce you do is with the coconut milk here. And I'm going to put around 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Okay, here is the coconut milk. If it is too thick, you can add in a bit of water. Pinch of salt. And also 1 teaspoon of the rice flour. Mix well and you boil it in medium heat. Once it boils, you can put off the fire and you see the consistency. It's not too thick and not too thin. And you can put aside. Let's see. Okay, it's done. Okay, now I'm going to transfer this. I'm going to add in the screwpine leaves, the sugar, and some salt. I'm also going to add in white sugar. And when it starts boiling, I'm going to add in the corn. If you don't have screwpine leaves, you can always add in vanilla to give the aromatic smell to your porridge. And here, I'm going to add in the coconut milk. Okay, once it's boiling, it's already cooked. And I'm going to put off the fire and you can serve. Very nice combination. Now I'm going to drizzle the sauce. And here it is, my wheat pearl and corn porridge. It's very nice combination, and the smell from the santan or the coconut milk and the screwpine leaf is very nice. So for those who wish to try, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and press the bell button.